So the answer is right. Yep.
Or guess here, it should be someone either Jayashree.
I think so. It's Jayashree auntie.
Jayashree or Vatsala.
It is what? Ambika
Yeah,
auntie,
Vatsala auntie.
Ambika.
Oh, Jayashree auntie, Vatsala auntie.
Both of them do not come anymore. They used to come like long time ago.
Yeah, but it didn't tell they're not coming now.
Yeah, they are not coming now.
Guess Ambika. I was lying. I knew the person, so I didn't want to tell. So I was lying all the names.
Yeah.
Okay, so now
We have to guess the other person.
Actually, no. She's a person. She will be starting her thing.
And then there's another guess the person.
Yeah, over to Ambika.
So, hello all.
Ambika auntie taking Jatri, but Jatri is about taking other people who are outside our team.
No, now it is. We are. We also
Okay, inside, okay.
in Jatre one time families of Arohi families. 1 week it is guests.
Everybody, one thing to
Ambika
mention
auntie is
is
outside our
everybody mute mic and everybody videos on. Like guess the like Anjali auntie, Mishti, Preeti, Sumedh Rao, Krishna,
Who is the other
and myself.
person?
Who's another guesty person?
Who is that? Guess the person.
Leela, we will wait for 1 or 2 minutes, or we can start.
Last 1 minute final answer, anybody? I don't have a face camera. Sumedh.
I have the answer is Ambika auntie.
Not me,
It is
Leela.
Ambika auntie, the child Varsha.
Leela, it's not me.
It's not Aditi. Oh, we missed Aditi guessing Aditi. Aditi, I knew you were an architect, but I never knew you were also part of some research. Huh?
Oh, I've done a lot of research.
Yeah, I know. Hey, is it Aditi auntie? She's also mother of 2 children. And she was also part of creating that video gaming project.
Oh, yes.
But she doesn't join this session.
You haven't visited camp only once, na?
No, she has not joined she is not there in video gaming project.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Shaunak, give us one more last clue, man.
What clue?
I don't know, whichever clue you want to give.
Okay.
But not wrong clues. If you give wrong clues, they are kicked out of this session.
So should I say the same clues or some other clue?
Some other clue. Last clue.
Okay. Yeah. So she's also taking Science Exploration Club.
Ambika auntie. Ambika auntie is the answer.
Ambika. We never knew. Ambika, is it correct answer?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't see the other
I
side.
gave the answer first.
Okay.
Krishna first and second, and then others third.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God.
The person is revealed. She is Ambika from the Arohi community who has been a research assistant in Also, she has worked on different science tools like Rasmol. Is it so, Ambika?
Rasmol.
Rasmol, and also she was part of Biobank also. Ambika auntie.
She's not doing anything.
Yes, Ambika, you are revealed. Now we can start.
Yeah.
And these are the gloves for it.
Okay. So I started how my this research journey. I'll let you know. So I have finished my batch. I am actually from Rajapalayam. Okay, I guess you may know that is in the south part of India.
And control.
And now we reside in Coimbatore. I have done my bachelor's in biochemistry, master's in bioinformatics. So during my last, we have to do project for 6 months, like last term project. So I was in a search of where these bioinformatics, I was in search of the people where these bioinformaticians work. So, and I was we were actually the second batch in the whole Tamil Nadu as masters. I have done my master's in 2006. And as I gained knowledge from my seniors, so they were the first batch. So one of my seniors, she told like you can go for the industries to seek for a job or research, something. She told me more options. So that's how I started searching for my projects. So, and then once I came to Bangalore and asked for, got into IIC, Indian Institute of Science, and there is the bioinformatics department where I was seeking so many professors over there. Then I got a project to work for 2 months under Dr. Shekhar in Indian Institute of Science. And then I didn't know that was for only 2 months. I started, but it was just for 2 months. But in the meanwhile, in the same time, before my 6 months, when I started the journey to seek for the project, I got in one more place also, like this one, National Center for Biological Sciences. That is also in Bangalore. But I didn't understand which one to pick up, because these both were on top of the one of the most well recognized research institutes. So I didn't know which one to pick up to move forward for my research, for my projects. So I asked my same senior, as she told like, yeah, of course, we know Indian Institute of Science is very famous for that. So I picked up as per her guidance, and I went there. So when I finished, when that project was only for 2 months, then I later moved to this NCBS, National Center for Biological Sciences, that was under Dr. Sriram, where with collaboration under Professor Saudhamini, I got into her. She was actually handling this bioinformatics project. So when I was doing this small term project, what was given from the Sriram and the collaboration with Saudhamini, so she, whatever I did the work, she was impressed, and I joined as a junior research fellow after before my master's itself. Before I could finish the degree, I got into that. So that's how it started. Yeah. And I was there for 1 year, working as a junior research fellow. And then I just got married. My husband was in Kuwait. So after 5 years, I was like, keep on thinking. Shaunak was born, and then I was keep on thinking like, okay, let me go again into the research. But in Kuwait, as it was a small country, there was no pharmaceutical or somewhere else as an industry to seek for a bioinformatician. So again, I was seeking for the research area only. So when I was searching, and finally I got into this Dasman Diabetes Institute. It's a diabetes institute. And then there I got as a, when I got into there, I got as a job of research assistant. And then after some years, I got promoted to research associate, and then I came out after 7 years. Now I am here. Yeah.
Hey, Ambika, what is lot of these words like bioinformatics, research assistant, research fellow?
Yeah.
What are
Yeah.
all these?
Okay, so these are the cadres. These are the level of the in research areas. How do the technicians and the research scholars have? So these are the levels of their posts.
What is the kind of research you're talking about? Like, what is it exactly? What research you were doing, and what are the outcomes of the research? Like, what are you really researching on?
Okay, so first when I was doing in IIC, that was a kind of my final semester project. So they were in that research department. Okay, that is, there are so many departments in IIC, say for physics department, and I actually worked in biophysics. So this Dr. Shekhar was under biophysics, okay, and then he was working under this crystallography, which I will show you now so that you can understand what does that mean. Seeing the structure of small molecules, as you have heard, the DNA, protein, those names. So structure of that, we were learning about that under his guidance. Okay, and there are so many other research like agricultural. When I moved to the National Center for Biological Sciences, this agriculture people, they were seeking for the small elements called, again, a piece of DNA, which is caused, I mean, which is mutated meaning which is changed due to the various stress in the case of like heat, over excess heat, or like drought, okay, excess light. So those are the conditions given to the agriculture, meaning plants, a particular variety species of plant they will take. So I don't remember the common name. That is the difference. I only remember the scientific name. It's called Arabidopsis thaliana. It's a variety of plant. Okay, so that plant has some small changes. So that particular databases we were creating. So for the researcher, they used to use our tool to find out, to reach exactly into their which type of stress elements are suitable for their experiment. So that's how we were creating a tool as a bioinformatician. So if any doubts, am I with you? You can ask me.
Someone is asking, who is DNA? One minute. Ambika, what is DNA?
What is DNA?
And
DNA.
How does
Yeah.
and how does that help the plant? And Manamalli was asking, more related to nanotechnology. Is it more related to nanotechnology?
Yeah, this is more related to molecular biology. What I'm talking is related to molecular biology, not nanotechnology.
What is nanotechnology?
What is molecular biology?
Molecular biology is the studies related to DNA, protein, small, the cellular components. You know the cell, right? Our human is made up of cell. So inside the cell, there are so many small things called DNA, protein, mitochondria, those things. So the study of that detailedly, we do the cell study. That is called molecular biology. Okay, so
What
how? Yeah, sorry.
What is nano something? think I don't know.
Nanotechnology is it's related to more of technology. It's not related to bio, but some of the nanotechnology terms are also, I mean, those work are also included in the biology part, like molecular biology, something like that. So if I show you some of my work so that you can understand, so that's why I wanted to show you the tool, how we work and the work process, and through some pictures so that it would be exciting for you.
Mhm. So simple to understand, molecules is nothing but part of the cells, which
Yes.
because cells are part of everything, whatever we see, either it's object or humans or everything is made of small cells. There are millions of cells which we are made of. So in that, Rambika is studying about these cells which makes us, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me a minute. So to start up, let me show you the. Let me show you what I was talking about, the Rasmol. Okay, that is one of the.
Are we, Leela, Ambika, are we also covering the life of a researcher?
Maybe after showing these two, 5 minutes, and then you can ask me whatever the. Yeah, I will tell you about that also. Or however you say, it's okay. Yeah, now can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see. Yes.
Okay, so this is the Rasmol tool. Okay, so in this Rasmol tool,
Black.
Yeah, it's black.
see a screen.
Yeah, it's a black color. Okay, and then to understand more, we have to go to the protein data bank. Okay, this is like a bank where all the proteins are stored. Okay, when I click this, this is the home page of that. Okay, and then
We
can
can't see
anybody?
the home page of the bank. Like we can
This
only
is
see your
protein data
Rasmol.
bank. Can you see this? PDB protein data bank here.
No, we can't see.
No, we can.
There is
we
only
can-
black.
only Rasmol we can see.
Oh, okay.
Rasmol file edit, that one, and below that there is a black screen.
Yeah, we can only see that.
Okay. One second. Now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, we can see that.
Yeah. Can you tell any animal name?
Lion.
Okay. I'm just typing it here. You can see, right?
Yes.
Okay. And if I tell enter, we can see so many varieties of like proteins of, see, here we can see the protein of lion. Okay, this is one of the form, the circle, and this is another one form. Okay, so let's go for any one of this.
Let's go to the round one.
You want to go for the round one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That looks more colorful.
Okay. Okay, so this is the one. Okay. As you can see in the right side, like here, I am keeping the cursor, download files. Okay. So here it is a PDB format. That is the user-friendly format for us.
Why do we need to study this? About these cells? Why do we need to study these cells?
1 minute, sorry. 1 minute. Yeah, why do we need to study this? That's because if you want to do some research of lion cells, you can do and study this. See, there are the informations of here. The lion scientific name is Nativa calcivirus. Native, no, one second. Yeah, native calcivirus, lion virus 4. And this is one of the virus. This is not, okay. And we can see here how it has taken the X-ray diffraction method. These are the things. And the total structural weight of here, where I have shown here. Okay, these are the protein chains. I'll just show you and you can guess why, how does it, how do they visualize and all those things. Okay, when we see in that software, in that tool, you will understand what is that. 1 minute.
Okay.
Can you see now? Can you see the screen now?
Which screen? Yep. Yep, we
Which
can
one?
see this.
Yeah, we can see.
Which one are you seeing?
The
virus.
biological assembly one.
The virus we can see.
Okay. No, I want to
Okay.
share. What about the?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can also
this-
see this.
On the black screen.
Yeah, now you can see that, right? I want
Yeah.
to actually show the tool only. So now you can guess why these people are doing research on this.
What is this?
Yeah, this is the Rasmol, what that circular shape, what we saw now. This is the thing. Wait, I will show you. Okay. So here can you see whatever I am doing it in the display?
Yes.
So this is the backbone of that structure. Okay. This is the wireframe of the structure. This is the space fill of that structure.
Okay.
So this is the ribbon one.
Ambika,
Yeah.
is this like, for example, now coronavirus, about the virus, what they do?
Yeah. Yeah. So
Similar to that, how,
They
Yeah.
study about it like
yeah.
this.
like,
So that's how they study about this. So now I have colored it according to the chain. So this particular protein has the 3 chains in it.
maybe Ambika, we got the glimpses. Do you want to move ahead?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So these
Ambika aunty.
the extra thing you can come and explore in the Science Exploration Club. Okay. So more detailing, we can just see. We can even pick up the distance of these small atoms. Here, so many options are there.
Ambika aunty, can you put the wireframe of this structure?
Yes, dear. See, this is the one.
So like this helps
Oh.
you study about the virus and the
Yeah.
animals.
Yeah.
Like
See,
wireframe means the body of the virus.
no, dear. This wireframe is not the body of the protein. The wireframe of the protein. See how these are the small the blue color na.
Huh.
Can you see my cursor where I have
Yeah,
put
I
it?
can see.
Yeah. So this is the atoms. Okay, the bonding part, carbon atom. This is how an atom is interacted with the other atom.
What is that?
Small part of protein. Each
Cell.
all, yeah, small part of protein. Yeah.
Yeah, this, yeah.
Okay, to know these very detailedly, we can explore definitely in the Science Exploration Club. Okay. So, anything else? Shall we move ahead?
Yeah. We can move ahead. This is like what you're seeing is like one is dot art, Varli art, and all different types of art. What you see in the similar way, Ambika is seeing the cells in wireframe format.
Yeah, wait.
Protein format.
Yeah, so I will show you here. I have clicked the 2 cells here. It is showing the distance also of the 2 atoms. You can see from this
Okay.
Rasmol. Okay, so this is one of the small things. Yeah, we can go ahead.
Yeah, it's 11:30, Ambika. You can quickly. And Arham is asking what is protein.
Oh, okay. This is a small molecule in our cell, in our each of the cells of human body. Okay, I will just.
I wanted to
open the
ask a question. Like, I forgot the name of the job you're doing. Like some bio.
research associate. It depends on each of the thing. Can you see now?
Yes,
Now?
we will come to you in Science Exploration Club for all this.
Yeah. So do you want to take a tour on the biobank? I was actually,
Yes.
What is biobank?
yeah. So
It's
you
like a
will tell
small
me now
one.
what is biobank. I will just show you the place. What is biobank? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the biobank. Okay. So what
A
do
place
people
where they
do
collect
here?
human DNA, animal DNA, and blood
Yes.
tests and all.
Yup.
Okay. So what do we people do here? Here you see the reception area, right?
Yeah.
And the people here is this. Can you see my cursor here, right?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so here is the participant comes and the participant is made to sit and the receptionist welcome them. And here the phlebotomist withdraw the blood from the participant. Okay, whoever wants to volunteer in the research, whether it could be a patient, because we were in Dasman Diabetes Bank, so it could be a normal participant or a diabetes patient. Okay, both can come. Both as a volunteer, they can come and give blood to the phlebotomist. So the phlebotomist withdraw the blood and put it in this tubes. These are called blood collecting tubes. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. So this is how the phlebotomist collect the blood. So this is how the blood is collected from the participant. And next, there are certain tubes here, the vials. Okay, and the process over here in this thing, that's how we do. These are the process in the biobank we do. Okay, actually, what is biobank? What is the normal bank? Can anybody tell us what is the bank
A
do?
bank is a place where you can just store money and save money and withdraw money.
Yeah. So the same thing we do here. We store the bio samples, that is blood, urine, saliva, okay, tissue and cells, and then
Like tissue means tissue papers or the
No,
tissue
the
means
muscle tissue.
yeah, muscle tissue.
okay.
A small piece of our muscle. Okay, so that is called tissue. So those are the bio samples. And then blood, urine, saliva, we don't store as such. We do this kind of process. Okay, there are certain process to do that, and then we store it. Okay, and this is the another one, cells. Cells is like live cells, also we store it. Okay, this is in the liquid nitrogen.
Like how does the cells look?
Cells look, I'll show you in the Science Exploration Club. I don't have that picture as of now. Is that okay, Afi, with you?
Yeah.
Okay, I will just show you zoomed picture of all these. You can guess this. So can you guess this what? As I have written here.
Freezer box,
storage
rack.
Yeah.
Oh, these are freeze.
Yeah, the box how it is stored, and these racks are stored in this freezer, lab freezer. Okay. So this is like it's our normal freezer. These are only -4. But the lab freezer, yeah, the lab freezer are -40 to -80 we have there.
Okay.
Okay, -40 degrees Celsius to -80 degrees Celsius.
Hey, Ambika.
Yeah.
Ambika,
yeah.
This is how did you start with this journey? How did you get interested in these research and all this? So as a child, how were you interested? Were you interested in all these about dissection or seeing the smaller parts of the body, or how did you get interested in this field?
Okay, by seeing all these stuff, whichever I am showing you was some of the parts of our department. Okay, some of the job in our department. When you keep on doing it, sometimes you know when you keep on doing the same job, you will be like, okay, let's explore something else. Let's explore something else, like that kind of a thing. So that's how I got interested in this tissue making. Okay, so this is a small piece of the animal in paraffin block.
What is
So
a
that's how we
paraffin
have seen-
block?
So this is the what I'm showing you here. No, that is the paraffin block. So that's where the people around you, wherever whatever they are doing, we just connect with how is this done, the techniques, and how are they doing it, how are they withdrawing from the participant a small piece of tissue, and how is that coming to the lab, those process. So that's how we get interest, and we start doing it.
Where do you store the tissues? In the
Here, the paraffin, this is the tissue block. The tissue is, the
Okay.
red color tissue is stored in the white color. The white color is paraffin. Candle, na? Candle is made of paraffin. Candle.
Oh, okay.
So that's how in the candle only the tissue is stored. Okay.
Okay.
And here we store these things.
Okay. So the tissue is like a muscle.
Yes, small piece of muscle.
Okay.
And this is
So
how
now
the
we wanted to know much about you, Ambika. Like,
Yeah.
as a child, what were you interested? How did you choose this subject? How did you get deepen into this subject? What was your journey?
Yeah. Last slide, can I show this? Because this is the withdrawal part. Was the storage, physical storage, what I showed you now. And from this is the withdrawal part. We connect to the computer. Okay, this is one of the software called Tissue Auditor. When you see this particular image over blue and green, blue and orange, and here you may find some similarity. Can you guess it? What is this? With this physical box and here. Can you guess what are these?
Oh, okay, got it.
Those
the
are
phys-
the
Wherever
vials.
the boxes are there, it's all blue. Wherever the boxes are empty, like the place of the boxes are empty, they're orange.
The boxes are there, they are blue, and there is empty means they are orange.
Yeah. So those are called vials. Okay, what I have written here, vial. It's not boxes. Okay, vial. So that's how we pick up from the whenever the ask for the research, for the further research, we spot them and we pick up that particular vial for the further research, and this is stored in the software server. So this is how from this one we withdraw this and it goes for the further research. So that's it. This is the biobank. This is how they do it.
They break down the cell even more to unlock the DNA.
Yeah. So as you were all asking, this is a cell. When you go in minute, this inside the nucleus, inside the small part, and after this comes this DNA. And when you were all asking, but where is the atom? See, here it is, base pair, mein one small bit. This is atom. And this is where that green color first I was showing you, now the molecular structure, green color, blue color, red color. This is where it is. So this is molecular biology.
Okay,
Hope you
so
enjoyed this.
what is DNA? It's a kind of a blood or something?
Small cell. Inside the cell, it's a small component, molecular component.
Okay.
Okay, where our genes are there, where from
Yes,
yeah.
Ambika.
Big
Science Exploration Club.
Yes, rest all in Science Exploration Club.
Big auntie.
Yep.
I have a doubt. I know what is tissue,
Okay.
You will take only the animal tissue, or you will take the human being tissue also?
We take animal tissue from mouse, from rat,
Okay.
and from human.
Oh, from human also. Okay.
Yep.
From in which part tissue you will take? From the hand or from the leg, like kind of?
Actually, we were working along with the diabetes patients, na. So whenever the doctors do surgery, whenever they do biopsy, that is called surgery, small surgery. So from that we get the part of tissue. So sometimes we get from the stomach, sometimes from the liver, sometimes from the hand, leg. So whichever part they take out, they tell us, so that as a part of our storage, we will store that part name also. From this tissue has been taken from the stomach, this tissue has been taken from liver, those kinds.
Ambika, it was very interesting to know about your work. Okay, boys and girls, let's now ask Ambika auntie, as a child, how she was and how did she get into this subject, and she got deepen into this subject. Okay, Ambika, we want to know about your childhood. Do we all want to know about her childhood?
Yes.
Yeah, let's ask questions about her. How did she got deeper into this subject? Yes, Ambika, over to you.
Yeah, like during this journey, or like how are you asking, Leela? Like fashion kind, or?
As a child, what were you curious about? How did you choose the subject in the college? How did you decide you have to go into a science field? Something like that.
Earlier, I don't like about the blood part at all. Okay, whenever I see the blood, I used to faint. Okay, but in my childhood, I used to play with this small this khilona. I love to play with them. This miniature of fridge, miniature of our tiffin carrier, all those things.
Okay.
So that's how maybe led to my passion of seeing this small miniature of vials.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I love to open this, put some biomolecules and then close this, and I love to do craft. Okay, and this. So any craft, anything. Okay. Even this. Yeah. So that made me to do faster my job. Like with my one hand, I used to screw it up or faster. So those are the small things which made me passion to do this.
Were you interested in reading and writing that time in your childhood? To read about this miniature and then see how does it look, something like that?
To be honest, I don't like reading and writing in my childhood.
Oh, we got you.
Okay. I love to watch movies and everything. So whatever I do it, that's where my molecular visualization came. You got it. I like to see visualizing things. Oh yeah. So I love to visualize the design. Those part came. I love to see DNA not in books. I love to see real. But you can't see real, and then you have to imagine and design. So that designing part, this computer helped me to imagine and make the animation part and all. So that's where I love to do that.
Okay, as you were doing this miniaturized visualization of fridge and all this, but what made you to choose the subject called science in your career? Did you know all this will come in as a child?
No. I didn't know. But I was thinking like this biochemistry was different to choose it. Okay, since my childhood, I wanted to be different to choose. Okay, whatever is different, I'll pick that up. Whatever is common among others, I don't want to do that. Okay, I wanted to be unique, something like that. I didn't know about that part, but since my childhood I am that way. Okay, so I wanted to be different, like biochemistry. And then after biochemistry, I don't want to go to masters of biochemistry. My passion went to into computers. So I was finding out the course where the computer and biology can combine. So that's where I found out this bioinformatics or computational biology, you can tell, both the ways.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
yeah.
That's
That's how
interesting
you-
to know. How did you choose the subject for your career? Huh?
Yeah.
Uh,
And yeah.
So as a person, I know that you're interested in programming, you're interested in spirituality, you're interested in music, you're interested in movies, and you're interested in food, you're interested in right now. This was a new phase of Ambika, which I'm seeing as a researcher.
Okay.
So how did you see your multiple passion towards these? You're equally passionate about spirituality when I talk to you, and also in music. So how do you see this multiple passions for yourself?
As I have told you, when I was doing that, I didn't know I am going to take it. Okay, but I am away from research now. So as you asked me from my childhood, I could connect all those like miniature khilona se, miniature vials. Okay, now I could connect it. So if people would love to connect from their drawings to craft, bringing a model, that would be helpful. Or playing the character of that. So that's how the passion starts. And then when you imagine in different, like I love to sing. So I thought like different, then I started to explore, why can't we do in different tones? That was like recent passion. I don't know, then my passion will change from here to there. And I don't stick into that also, okay?
Okay.
And I am like, if people tell, wow, you're doing so much, then I'll just suddenly stop that. So because I don't want to get into like people tell me, wow, wow, because I am like fed up with getting all these awards and champion and do all these words. I wanted to do something new. So I keep on changing my passion.
Okay, you mean to say it's okay to keep on doing new, don't go into deep into anything?
Yeah, you can do that, but it depends on how deep you go as well, right? Sometimes you want to be very crazy about that particular activity, what you take up. And yeah, sometimes you just don't want to do that. So that's how your passion varies.
Hey guys, do you want to ask about Ambika auntie? She was not interested into reading and writing, and still she was into the research and all this. Like, how did your parents talk to you or connect with you like this when you were jumping from one field to other fields? You can ask as many questions to Ambika auntie. And Anjali is asking, is there any age criteria? What kind of qualification is required to go into research?
I came to know recently, like in IISc, even if you are homeschooler or without any degree, there is some common exam is conducted. Okay, so there you have to just appear. That's it. If you are qualified in that, I mean, you are selected in that after writing that exam, it's a test kind. So any lab will pick you up. So that's what I have heard recently, but I am not so sure because I haven't tried that. And
Big auntie, I want to ask one doubt. You told that I can't read and write, no?
No, dear, I can read and write, but I don't love to do that.
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't like to read.
No, I don't. I don't like to read
Yeah,
at
you
all.
don't like to read now. When you are searching something, in that you have to read only, no? Then.
Yeah, dear, whichever I like to do, I love to do that. Whichever others tell, no, I don't like that. No, I don't like that.
Now we are searching something about. In that
Yeah.
you have to read only, no? What you don't like is coming in your interest, no? What you
Yes, dear. But whichever is my interest, in that interest I will read. Okay, when you. But
don't
when
read any stories like.
yeah, I love to. If I like the story only, I will read.
Oh.
Okay, if my teachers tell you read this, please finish your degree and all, I hated to do that. No. I
You will
didn't
tell
like
okay then, and you won't do anything.
What to do? I have to hear my mama, na? My mom and dad. I have to finish my degree, na?
Yes.
So that I just finished that way. I didn't know this kind of ROE is existing that time. Otherwise, I would have joined long back.
Okay.
How you are enjoying now.
Oh, you want to join like us, small kids?
That's why I joined now, no? And I am enjoying like you.
Next time also you joined ROE.
Yeah, let's see when I born next time.
Next time when you take another Janma, you come to Arohi in your first year only.
Oh, okay.
In your first year, Arohi is your gift.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So Ambika, that means you don't push. Shaunak and Shadak, you can ask. Mama was not liking reading and writing, and does she push you guys to read and write?
Yeah, okay.
Ask her if
No, she doesn't push.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to push because to find out our liking style. So we figured out.
Okay.
Now I could relate with the ROK environment. I figured out my writing style because I like to coding. I like to code. So that coding I loved that coding into my poetry form.
Me too. I don't
Poetry
like.
doesn't need grammar, na? I was not good in grammar, I thought. So
I
I love to
also
write
don't
poems.
like reading and writing. I only like typing in the laptop.
Oh, yeah.
I thought you liked writing stories of me.
Sometimes. If my only stories, okay, only stories. That also I write in laptop only.
Yeah, Mishti, you wanted to ask something? Yeah. Yes. So, anything else you wanted to share as a message to children who are passionate about different things, who are into the research, or who wants to know about this research stuff? Message from you, Ambika?
Anybody wants to know about this in detail or whatever, we can explore in science exploration club. We can have like 5 to 10 minutes, and whatever wanted to show, I can show there. And even if you want to go deep also, I can take a tour into that.
So from your life journey, you want to share a message about yourself, how you were connected to yourself, reflecting, working on yourself and all that? What helped you to reach you whatever you're doing?
More than connecting to our work and what are we doing, I found the most important is how we connect with the other people, how we talk with other people. That was like, I find it one of my greatest skill till now. Okay, the way what I'm trying to tell here is, in our biobank, we all were given equal chances. Okay, under our boss, under our head of the department. But in some ways, most of the people will come and ask, if Ambika is there, okay, then they will come inside and ask some of the things, because the biobank was the main thing to withdraw the samples. You understood, right? Withdraw thing. So they were using me as a maybe intruder kind of a thing. So somewhere you have to be more lenient and somewhere you have to be more strict. So those are the things you should know where and how to speak to the people. That's the most important message I wanted to give to all the kids over here. So that's the most important thing. Even in video programming club also, I could see almost all the kids know the programming, but still somewhere or the other, they wanted to just come up. I mean, they wanted to prove that their idea is the best. The most important thing is all the ideas are better, but we should know how to mix up that. That's the most important. That's what my message is.
How to match up?
Yeah, match up, mix up, and yeah, as like all the project members will get their chances, equal chances. So that's where we all are here as friends. Friendship is the best.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. One, everybody want to describe what you liked about Ambika Aunty sharing her journey and about her work. Anything what you liked, you can share. Let's share one thing about Ambika Aunty. Let's describe Ambika Aunty. For last 1 hour, we have been hearing her. So I like the way you were sharing about your, you wanted to be unique. You just don't want to follow the crowd. So you wanted to try new things. That curiosity to try new things is something I liked from Ambika Auntie's life.
I want to volunteer something.
Even
I
I
like-
like that she wanted to be unique and not copy what others were doing.
I like how she explained a very complex thing in a very simple way.
Who is that? I want to know that person.
Me.
Ah, Sumit. Okay.
Yeah.
Ambika,
Yes.
I like the way you are moving and choosing different ways to learn. I like that you're moving on.
Thank you, Anjali. Even you also start moving.
And
Joy. Yeah.
your topic has refreshed my own college days.
Yeah.
Bioinformatics was a very tough topic for me. I was not liking it.
I am telling, no, reading and writing also I don't like it. But I found out the style, my style, like how Vimal was posted in that day, no? My style. So finding out our style is the most important part.
True. That is cracking of code. Huh?
Yeah, could be.
Like code. Yeah. With this, we end the session. If anybody wants to know now more about the auntie's biobank research or anything, you want to chit chat with Ambika Aunty, are you there for another 10-15 minutes? Ambika?
Yeah, I am fine.
Okay, now you want to share, you want to ask about all these research questions, you can ask and chit chat with Ambika. Others can say bye to Ambika and you can leave.
Bye, Ambika Aunty.
Bye.
Bye.